podcast, and today I'm going to read. Writing is a diary is a really strange experience for someone like me. Not only because never writing anything before, but also because it seems to me that later on neither I nor anyone else will be interested in the musings of a 13-year-old schoolgirl. Oh well, it does not matter. I feel like writing and I have an even greater need to get all kinds of things off my chest. Paper has more than paper. I thought of this saying on one of Thursdays when I was feeling a little depressed and was sitting at home with my chin in my hands, bored and listless, wondering whether to stay in or go out. I finally stayed where I was brooding. Yes, Pepper does have more, and since I am not planning to let anyone else read this stiff back notebook read grandly.